What's up, guys? Here in a new location here to open the anniversary box, Kwadbox. Got a new box here, open before flight. Let's see here, Rotor Riot on the box, Kwadbox.com on the box, and X-Hover. All right, let's see what we got here. Good old trusty keys to open her up. All right. Got us some battery strap from Unma Grip universal gel pad. I actually found some stuff on Amazon for 10 of these for like $10. So not this branded stuff, but it works just as good. Slide the boost out of the way for a second here. We do got a box for, let's see, a coupon for 10% off until May 31st, 2018 with a little bot grinder on it, on the front of it. We got our stickers. All right, we got some props here, some HQ props. Let's see what they are. They are a 5 by 4.8 by 3 V1S. You get 1, 2, 3 sets of them. Them are good props there. We get a DroneRacingParts.com strap, small one. Looks pretty good. We get a little tool for removing your props. That's pretty good. I do have a full-size one, but that's all right. I do kind of miss the quad branded, Kwadbox branded. There's no quad on it. Looks like it's an 8mm, so that's for removing your props. Of course, we got our shirt here. Yeah, I don't know about that shirt, not my favorite one, but yep, there it is. All right, and then for the frame, we got a Rad X by Kwadbox frame here. Looks pretty thick, pretty stout. I will be doing a put together with this right here to see what our overall weight is of this frame. It's a unibody frame. Looks like it's got the long pads, sort of like a Alien or a. It's got that long frame for top mounted battery. Not as heavy as, doesn't feel as heavy as I thought. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 standoffs on here. So looks pretty solid frame here. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. See what it weighs. We'll put it together in another video. Alrighty, so that is our Kwadbox. I don't know how I feel about the frame, but probably going to be better than an X-Hover frame. That broke on me one little crash. Yeah, the value's there for the box. So good job, Kwadbox. The only thing is, Kwadbox is usually getting parts that I don't really use, so I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. I was really expecting something huge, like major value in here, an anniversary box. You know, I guess that's a $50 frame. I mean, it's got the value here, but I was expecting a blowout. So we got a standard box for anniversary. So keep up good work, Kwadbox. I just wish this was a little bit better for the anniversary. But thanks a lot, and have a great day. Make the ground shake.